Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to hide last seen status on your Facebook Messenger. In order to hide your online status by disabling the Facebook last active feature and keep your Facebook last active time from showing on your friends list. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Go ahead and press that bell icon so that you'll get instant notifications as soon as we post a new video. Go to your app list and tap open Facebook Messenger. After you're in, tap on your profile picture icon at the upper left. From the profile page, under profile, you'll see active status. Tap on it, and when you see show when you're active, simply disable the button. Tap on turn off from the pop-up. You won't be able to see when your friends and contacts are active or were recently active as well. Just like they won't be able to see yours as well. Tap on turn off, and that is how you can turn off your active status and last seen on Messenger. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was at all, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.